Welcome to 1330 Brook Street, Apartment J, a two-bedroom, two-bath apartment. We just walked in the entrance in the living room. That's a wood-burning fireplace. And out here we've got a balcony with a very peaceful view. And as we go back towards the entrance, I'm going to show you the laundry room because that's important. Side-by-side, full-size washer-dryer. That's a coat closet, and around the corner is the dining and kitchen area. Fridge, stove, dishwasher, and microwave. The door at the end is the pantry. As we go down the hall, around to the right is the first of two bathrooms. Tub and shower. The door on the left is the linen closet, and here we're going into the second bedroom. Very generous size. Bring your queen bed, desk, dresser, chairs. Good size closet. And as we proceed to the principal bedroom, here's the thermostat, central heat, central air. Bring your king size bed, 14 by 12. With a very large walk-in closet and your own private bath. That's 1330 Brook Street, apartment number J. We're close to downtown St. Charles, just off Randall Road and Main Street. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. And visit our website, 1350brook.com. That's 1350brook, BROOK.com. We'd love to show this to you in person. Thanks and have a great day.